Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to share with you all Mausamri volume 6 printed lawn collection. Alright, total 9 designs are there and the first design of today is going to be. So here comes the first coat, black in shade, very beautiful print. इसका print ना पास से देख लीजिए so that you get an idea about the color. ठीक है. We'll start with the front of the shirt. Here comes the beautiful printed neckline with the diamond border. Beautiful printed front, followed by here comes the back and here comes the sleeves. All are guaranteed originals. Next, here comes the dyed bottom, and now we have this dupatta, beautiful floral printed dupatta. See, so this is the first coat. Moving on, here comes the next shade, sky blue. So here comes the beautiful printed front. बहुत subtle designing है, nothing extra is there. All right, followed by the border print. Next, we have this printed back with the border print, and next here comes the sleeves. Okay, this is the dyed plain bottom, and next we have printed dupatta. This is going to be the print of the dupatta. Alright, moving on. So here comes the third coat, magenta in shade. बहुत छोटा छोटा इस पे प्रिंट है, ठीक है. So we'll start with the front. See, here comes the printed neckline, followed by the border print. Next, here comes the back, printed back, and now we have these sleeves. Dyed bottom and floral printed dupatta. All right. Here comes the next one, again sky blue in shade, base sky blue है. It's a pretty one. Contact details and pricing have been mentioned on the screen. You can connect on the number provided to check the availability and for placing the order. ठीक है. Here comes the front. Borders are provided on the side. ये overall print में है, ठीक है. Same इसकी रहेगी back and so are the sleeves. Bottom and this contrasting dupatta. Done. Moving on. Here comes the next shade, peach one. Very pretty shade. Those who are fond of light colors, उनके लिए it's going to be a good option. Here comes the front. with the daman print. Next, back, and here comes the sleeves. Bottom and the dupatta. Moving on, so here comes the next one, of white in shade. This is the front neckline print. ठीक है, बहुत ही अच्छा प्रिंट है इसका नेकलाइन. थोड़ा सा नीचे करते हैं. ठीक है, ये रहेगा नेकलाइन प्रिंट फॉलोड बाय द बॉर्डर प्रिंट, फ्लोरल प्रिंटेड बैक, and next we have these sleeves. ठीक, here comes the bottom, and next we have this dupatta, again very beautiful one. See, this is going to be the dupatta. Moving on, so here comes the next one, yellow in shade. So आप पास से प्रिंट चेक कर लीजिए. Small motifs are there, colorful motifs, very beautiful one again. See, front of the shirt done. Next, bottom and the sleeves. सॉरी, बैक था वो, ये रहेगी बॉटम. देयर कैन बी अ स्लिप ऑफ वर्ड्स. ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही होगी ना एक ही बार में. मुझे कैमरा एंगल भी देखना होता है, फिर मुझे इधर भी देखना होता है, तो देयर कैन बी अ स्लिप ऑफ टंग. ठीक है, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द दुपट्टा. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वन, बहुत सटल. डन. मूविंग ऑन, हियर कम्स द नेक्स्ट वन, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल लाइट ग्रीन शेड, बहुत ही सटल. ये रहेगा इसका ओवरऑल फ्रंट. बॉर्डर्स आर देयर ऑन द साइड. ठीक है, बॉर्डर साइड पर है, और ये रहेगा इसका दामन पार्ट. डन. दामन प्रिंट. मूविंग ऑन, वी हैव द बैक, and further moving on we have these sleeves. Here comes the dyed bottom, and now we have this dupatta. Moving on, here comes the last code of today, peach in shade again. See, here comes the front, and borders are there on the side. दामन पर भी बॉर्डर है. मूविंग ऑन, वी हैव दिस प्रिंटेड बैक, and then printed sleeves. Bottom and the contrasting dupatta. Done. So these were the total designs of Mausamri Volume 6 printed lawn collection. Inshallah I'll be coming with the next video soon. Charisma combination and Mausamri Volume 7 stitch collection is there. So I'll be uploading the video soon. Alright. So thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.